Have you read the news that the cup syrup cold drink is banned in India? A serious complication happened because of this cup syrup. Children died in the Rajasthan, children died in the Madhya Pradesh and some other places. And then the system woke up. They collected the samples, sent for the testing. Rajasthan, no toxic substance were found. In Madhya Pradesh, uh, the syrup, no toxic compound was found. But in the Tamil Nadu, when the manufacturing unit was investigated, the sample were collected from that and sent for the report. The report said that there is a toxic substance, and the name of this toxic substance is diethylene glycol. This is the molecular formula of diethylene glycol. This is actually the responsible for killing innocent children. What it is? It is a very similar solvent to glycerin. It is industrial solvent. It's used as anti-freezing substance. It is also used as a coolant. It is a colorless, sweet, and viscous, and therefore miscible with many solvents and used to solubilize many drug substances. It's illegally. Mostly, it's a glycerin and similar solvent, which is very pure and comparatively costly, used for solubilizing the substances. But for the purpose of benefit, profit, these kind of the people do like this activity, uh, which is absolutely not allowed. This is not allowed. This is not at all tolerable in the body. But it is done, and this is done with this cough syrup. So this was there, and the percentage was 48%. Very very serious. And this, what happens actually, this diethylene glycol when enters in the body, then it affect kidney. There is a more chances of kidney failure. It affects liver also and nervous system also. When it goes in the body, diethylene glycol, it converts to some compounds which are actually toxic, like diglycolic acid, 2-hydroxyethoxyacetic acid, 2-HEAA, and oxalic acid. These are the responsible for the serious complication and death of the children. So this is what happened with this cough syrup. It must be banned. It is banned.